Join us and discover beautiful beaches, rugged landscapes, pretty towns, desolate mountain ranges that sweep down to stunning lakes, unique architecture, history and folklore, no shamrocks, no shillelaghs, and definitely no shenanigans, just naked Ireland. Today we're going to look at the beautiful Crown Bar in Belfast and ask ourselves if this is the most beautiful pub in Ireland and, therefore, perhaps in the world. The Crown Bar, or Crown Liquor Saloon as it was formerly known, is situated on Great Victoria Street, Belfast, directly opposite the railway station and the Europa Hotel, seen here in the background. Before we even enter the bar, we can see these impressive polychromatic tiles that cover the whole of the exterior and, as we'll see, are used on the inside as well. The pub was established in 1880 and was originally known as the Railway Tavern due to its proximity to the station. It changed ownership in 1885 when bought by the Flanaghans, who renamed it and carried out its first and most important renovation. Again, here's the Europa Hotel opposite, a hotel that was bombed 36 times during the Troubles. On entering the bar, we were immediately struck by its opulence. The Flanagans were able to persuade Italian craftsmen who were in Ireland working on churches to use their skills of tiling, wood carving, as we see on this elaborate dragon scale pillar here, and glasswork to decorate the pub after their working day in the churches was complete. And just look at these old gunmetal plates for striking matches. Nice looking pint of Guinness there as well. That's another thing this pub is celebrated for. Another interesting feature is the bell system for summoning staff, although I don't think we're encouraged to use this system today. Appreciate these amazing carved lions that adorn the corners of the booths. The bar is well known for its food, which can be ordered in the booths or eaten in the dining room upstairs. Another perhaps unlikely feature is its Victorian tiled gents toilet. A little austere perhaps, but another monument to the Victorian age. The pub has 10 booths in all, with differing capacities. These would have been reserved for the discerning railway traveller in Victorian times. The highly decorative carvings above us, again, are the result of the labours of the Italian craftsmen, and the original gas lamps illuminating this extraordinary ceiling are still in use, as you can see. It's a stunning example of a Victorian gin palace, and it's a Grade A listed building that has been owned by the National Trust since 1978. Over a period of 3 years, they restored the bar at a cost of £400,000. A further $500,000 was spent on it on a third renovation in 2007. This mosaic tiled floor is also original, and you might also notice a heated foot bar just beneath the exquisite curved tiling on the bar, the height of luxury. The radiant etched stained glass windows incorporate an unlikely combination of designs of shells, fairies, pineapples, fleur-de-lis and clowns. Given that the hotel across the road was constantly bombed, I'm guessing that at least some of these windows are replacements. The pub is featured in a number of films, the most impressive of which was Carol Reed's classic Odd Man Out from 1947, which starred James Mason. We exit through the side door and away via Emilia Street. I think even the most discerning pub-goers amongst you will have to agree that this is a very special place. But is it the most beautiful pub in Ireland? Let me know in the comments, and please like and subscribe, and by all means share this video with your friends. Sláinte